Read a little more so I can educate my peers. Eat from my soul and cleanse my spirit. Pray cause I'm ready for the bloom of the city. Since serenity is all.
Like throwback music. Let's see. Yeah, so we had this mirror on the fridge right here. We had this mirror on the fridge and it fell in the middle of the night. I was so scared. This is our Hall of Fame. If you want this, you a real one. Let me give y'all some. Whoa. This be us, we be lit. We be lit. Let me give you some more little sneak peeks. What else we got? We got these over here. These are my favorite people, y'all. We got these. What else we got? These. Happy birthday. It's always somebody's birthday in here. It don't matter what it is. We always got a reason to celebrate. That's why we did it up. 21, happy birthday. We always turn up. It's a mess right now, but I need to clean it. I'm gonna clean my room. And then clean my vanity. It's kind of clean. I just need to wipe it down and all that stuff. Let me know if y'all want a tour. Okay, y'all. So I cleaned my room. It's done. I changed my rack too. Change that. I need to get something to cover this right here. Like, this bothers me all the time. I need something to cover it. I don't know what though. I need something. I'm gonna do a room tour too. This is just my room overview. I need to do my calendar for March. Okay, so now I did the living room, I did the kitchen. One load's in the dryer, the other one is washing right now. My room is clean. Next, I'm about to go to the hair store with Tanaya. I think you guys did see Tanaya in vlogs before. So I'm about to get dressed, and then me and her are gonna go to the hair store to get the hair for my faux locks. I think I'm gonna do them long, and I'm gonna keep those in for at least, I'm gonna try to do 2 months, because honey, my hair is fried. It's still 1:31, so I feel like I'm moving kind of fast. I'm gonna go get the hair. I'm going to come back, wash my hair, deep condition, all that stuff, probably clean the bathroom, and then after that start my hair. So I'm gonna try to start my hair about 4 o'clock. So like I should take like 5 hours. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Let's go. Oh, hello there.
Uber from the shirt. Oh no!
Hi, honey.
Oh God, hello.
Yeah, I remember Tanaya.
Hey, since freshman year.
How you feeling?
I'm a little busted, but it's okay.
Tanaya got me at a new beauty supply store.
Oh my goodness. I'm scared. I gotta put you on.
Let's see. We're about to see what this is about. Tanaya's place failed. Sorry.
It did not. It's just what she's looking for. It's not here.
We gotta go to another hair store. This hair store is lit though. I'm gonna go back.
Told you.
They got the church hats. Look at these. Easter Sunday.
All of these.
Are these the longer ones? Oh, that is. No? That's the one I had before one time.
Did you like this one?
Yeah, it was cool. Should I get that? How much is that?
$4.99 a pack.
Should I get 2 of those? 2?
Yeah.
This size, y'all.
Yeah. I
I think so. There's a lot of hair.
That is a lot of hair. I mean, you can space them out though.
Yeah. What the heck is this? Alright, this is not a fail, guys. We found it walking out the door. Alright, I'm about to get the cheapest Marley here. Not around. Where is that here?
I don't know.
I think it might have been on the other side. Not around.
Oh, this is extra long.
Oh.
But that's still the same price as
That whole pack.
Nope.
Not gonna just
Uh-huh.
double it at the ends and
here's
stuff.
Marley right here.
Okay. I think I want to just do all solid color.
Or they have them in the boxes of.
Somebody do red.
$4.99.
I'm gonna do red. How do you feel about that?
Goodbye to show. Because I thought it was like a burgundy color, and then I realized what you said.
Red. Clown red. Oh, that's the hair. Some people use Kankalion here.
How do you say it?
Kankalion. How is it? Kankalion? Kankalion. I missed out on the
I
whole.
have to read
Right
it
here.
for it to...
How to say this?
Kanekalon?
Kanekalon. What did I say? Kanekalon.
Yeah, you put an I in that.
This place actually failed. This is the ultimate beauty supply store. 5.99. The other place was $4.99
For a pack
for
of
just 3. That's my free. Yo. All right, I need 1B. Should I get this brand? Let's see if the other.
Wait, wasn't this the brand that you? This is the brand you picked up in the thing.
Really? Mm-hmm. Should I get 2 packs of these? What's down there?
Yeah.
Excuse me. How much are these? Oh, these are.
But it's a 3-pack.
Or should I get this?
Oh, it's already. Wait a minute. Oh no.
We had to get a cart. It got real. I know. We only got 2 things, but it still got real. Just gonna keep it real.
That's exactly it. Oh,
Shea butter, baby. Thanks.
yeah, I can't do this. This is why I don't be recording no type of videos because I suck. I suck at this. What are you doing to Michelle? Give me this. I got this. You got going on with it.
Do I need hair clips or something? We're gonna do that after we get the hair and stuff. No, look at this. I'm right here. What you looking for?
That is, but the tea doesn't look right. And they got a crown on top.
No. I know you're royalty and all, but
I know.
this is where all y'all dudes be getting their stuff from. Don't let them fool you.
What'd you say?
Don't let them fool you. This is where all the guys get their stuff from. Trying to impress all these ladies. Yeah, I think you're slick, but I caught on. I know. We know where y'all get that stuff from. $100 later. Don't let me and Tanaya go in no beauty supply store. Not ever again. So excited. Y'all, this ain't about to go down. It don't even look juicy on camera, but it's juicy, I promise. You done with your house? These the best. Best chips. I look crazy. But anyways, I just got back. I finished eating all that stuff. I'm about to start on my hair. I have to wash it. I'm gonna do deep condition. I want to do a treatment. I want to do all that stuff, and I have to blow dry it. And then I'm gonna get started on my hair. It is 4:49 right now, so I'm gonna say by like 6 o'clock I'll get started on my hair. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long. This is the hair I got. So I got 2 packs of these braided hair right here. I got this big pack of the Marley hair, and then I got this curly hair for the end. So it's 5:34. Hope you guys can hear me. Let me turn this music down. I'm under the dryer with a protein treatment, and I have my face mask on, have my candle lit, you know, the music going or whatever. Cheap thing. Y'all, here goes an update. My vlog about to be over because it's 9 o'clock. And here goes my head. Not even halfway done. I started doing like even parts and then I just gave up. But this is my situation right now. I'm getting there. But not there. Getting there, but not there. So we'll see how long this takes. I'm gonna end up closing out this vlog sooner or later, and then I'll probably show you guys the end result, and then this vlog will be done. But this is my Saturday, y'all. So I finished that one big pack of hair. I have a whole nother big pack, and this is how my hair is looking. I don't know if you guys can see. I feel like I'm more than halfway. I have this part to do and these two front parts. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. This is how I was looking from right here. I'm a little bit more than half way done. They're just super long. That's what's taking me so long. I'm kind of tired. It is 12:08. I'm gonna end the vlog here just because I want to focus on my hair, and I know I'm gonna forget to end the vlog. So this is my Saturday. So it is my whole Saturday because 12 o'clock it's Sunday now. This is my Saturday vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a daily vlog more often. It was okay. I don't really mind vlogging, but it's kind of hard sometimes because I just be forgetting. Yeah, so that's my Saturday. I finished washing my clothes, so I got that done. I did accomplish a lot of stuff, so I'm very happy. I'm just gonna finish up these braids and take a shower and go to sleep. So like I said before, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you are subscribing to this channel so I know that you're watching, so I know that you want more. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I can't wait to see you in my next video so we can learn, love, and grow together. Mwah.